What is good, guys? It's Rey-Jay back with another video, and in this one I want to break down what's going on with the overall market and break down how things are looking. I'm also going to talk about something very important that's developing on the different setups right now. Before I break anything down, let me just mention a couple of things. I am firstly not a financial planner. Take nothing I say as financial advice. And also, if you guys can, please check out the Weeble link, which is down below and in the description. If you deposit $500, you guaranteed 20 free stocks. This offer ends tomorrow. Anyways, when it comes to Tesla in the market, I just want to say that Tesla is showing a lot of strength because Elon Musk made a big announcement about the Roadster coming out, not to mention the fact that it could go from 0 to 60 in less than 1 second. That's very, very bullish news, and Tesla, despite having this head and shoulders like structure, so far this is not playing out that well, and that could have been a trap for retail as this thing is trying to break out. This also resembles kind of like a cup and handle like we talked about yesterday, and Tesla is showing lots of strength, so we'll be watching to see if this thing could break 205. If that breaks, I think it's going to pump all the way up to at least 210 to 212 if it could break 205. Watch support at 202.5 and 200. As of right now, Tesla is favoring the bulls. Now for SPY, let's talk about SPY real quick. It's favoring the bulls as we predicted, right? I said in my video there might be a bounce attempt. Look at SPY. This thing opened up at, it actually touched 504.99, and now it's still trying to bounce. Watch resistance at 506.8. If we do break this, it could push even higher. We're going to be looking for a move to the upside back up to 507. As of right now, it's favoring the bulls trying to push. So watch SPY carefully. It's showing some strength. For a couple more, just real quick, I'm going to try to be quick with this video. The whole market is trying to like kind of turn. We have Super Micro approaching 832. If that breaks, watch 844.5. It's trying to turn here just a bit, so it might try to retest 832. It's not super strong, so it's not going to be a big move, but it is going to be a small attempt. Russell 2000, this is showing some strength. It came down to 201 as we predicted, and now it's trying to rebound. So watch 204.2 and 204.7 as resistance. It's trying to push higher, so watch for that very carefully. For the QQQ, we mentioned that this thing may try to bounce. It actually came down a little bit lower than I was expecting. I was thinking around 435 it could bounce. It actually bounced off 434. Now we're going to be looking for a push to about 435.9. It's showing some strength, but it's not as strong as SPY. A lot of tech stocks are not as strong as SPY. I want to call that out. So watch for that. Nvda, watch support at 768. Watch resistance at 779, 783. I think that Nvidia may be making its way up to about 776 and eventually 780. So I see some potential for this to try to bounce, but it's not that strong. Nvidia is not super strong. It's on a strong downtrend. It just may be a small bounce for now. And a bigger reaction is going to come tomorrow after PCE comes out. Right. Just a few more. We have Microsoft over here. Came back down to about, since it hit 403, it's been technically range bound. Was trying to push to about 407.5. It could push a little higher, showing some strength, but overall, not too bad. For AMD, AMD is showing some strength. We're going to try to push up to 176.5. If we could try to break 175, it is trying to bounce here. I think it might test 175 and then trade sideways. It could try to push a little higher if you break that, but overall, look for a little bounce attempt. The VIX, it's very interesting. This is actually pumping with SPY, so it's very manipulated, but this is actually helping option premiums to some extent. So very interesting stuff. The dollar index is doing the same thing. It's on a slight downtrend, but it's a little green for now. Still kind of stuck. Coinbase came down just a little bit since it opened. Watch 207 as support. If we lose this, we could come down. It's about 202, 201.26, and then try to bounce after that. We'll see how Coinbase does. Google showing some weakness after bad news came out. Just want to call this out. This is slowing down right now, so watch and see if it could try to break 138. If it rejects, 136 is next, and then we'll see how everything else ends up doing. But don't forget to watch resistance on SPY. SPY is showing some strength, trying to break 506. If it does break this, watch these wicks as resistance followed by 507. There is potential for it to come to 507. And then the strongest of them all right now is Tesla. Tesla's looking quite good, holding above 203. If we could try to break out towards 205 plus by tomorrow, expect a big move to about 210 to 212. If we reject and come back down, we'll see how it goes. But otherwise, Tesla is showing some strength. Anyways, that is it for this one. I want to give you guys a very, very quick update. My favorite right now is Tesla. It's fun to watch. And we'll see, we'll see how well it does. Have a great day. Take care, guys. Do what you have to do and watch your levels on the markets. And don't forget, PCE comes out for tomorrow. I'll give you guys one more warning in just a couple of hours. With that being said, thank you for listening. Have a great day and peace out.